I'm going to show you how you can disable voice chat on League of Legends. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So by default, when someone joins your League of Legends lobby, it will automatically open a voice chat party where they will hear you and you will hear them. So this is kinda annoying for me. And if you want to disable this, all you need to do is go to the settings at the top right. And once you are here, you need to go to voice. So here you will see different options you can choose. You can disable this option that is enabled by default that will join the voice channel automatically. So if you disable this, you will manually need to join the voice party if you want to, and it won't join the voice channel automatically. You can also enable this option to mute yourself automatically when you connect to the voice party. So you will need to unmute yourself if you want to talk, and you can also put push to talk or voice activity. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.